Hello everyone! I'm very glad because the Sicily Lovers Tour, the September edition, has begun. And as always, we are enjoying the beautiful welcome dinner in the rooftop restaurant, very close to the Four Corners and the Fountain of the Shame. We are in the historic center of Palermo.
Buonasera.
Rita?
Abbiamo prenotato con le forze. Va.
Salute! Cheers! Salute! Cheers! Feel free to contact us if you want to join one of our group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour. We still have some available spots in the 2026 editions. Or if you want us to put together a custom private tour of Sicily. This is available all year round. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily! Salute!